So we are gonna have dinner here, and I haven't made, this is spaghetti squash, and I haven't made it in probably since 2018. So today is January the 23rd, 2025. And these are really, really easy, I have to say. Rosalie, shout out to Rosalie. This is my friend from probably, gosh, we've been friends since 95. No, we've been friends, yeah, since about 95, 94. So Rosalie years ago told me, oh, spaghetti squash is so easy. And you just put it in the oven, cut it in half, put it in the oven, and then you fork it all out, and it looks like actual spaghetti. So this is actually the filling. These are the seeds. I need to get in here, and this is the seeds, and then I'll replant these. So yeah, I'll wash those and plant those. But if you look up spaghetti squash, it is pretty easy. And we actually got back from Costco and we bought some more. But you cut it in half, and then you just scrape out all the seeds, put it in the oven with a little bit with water on the bottom of this I put it today for about 55 minutes at 400 degrees. Then we ran errands today. We got home. I ended up scraping it out, getting all of this out, and you can put anything you want. So in Jim's, I made his with these are meatballs that I had made a couple days ago, and cheese. I put sauce. And so on mine, I didn't want any meat. I didn't want any red sauce. I wanted I put, what kind of cheese did we just buy? Mozzarella. Yeah, mozzarella from Costco. Got a couple meatballs, basil. He's just putting pine nuts, tomatoes, butter, salt. So if you want to dig in and see, just show them. I don't know. So I've never made it this way. When I used to, you could get a plate, babe, and serve yourself or whatever. So yeah, so what, you fork it all out, mix, if you want, you could put butter on this, or you could put the red sauce, which I did with his cheese, and then stick it all back in there. And then I put it in the oven for about 20 minutes because the sauce was cold. This is cold spaghetti sauce. And the meatballs that I had were cold. I had meatballs. Yeah, these are my meatballs in here. So basically, use whatever you have. So I forked it all out for Jim's version, and I put the red sauce, the cheese, and then stuffed it back in, put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and then for about 3 minutes, I put it to broil. Like I said, mine, I just forked it all out and put half back in there with meatballs, some feta, I put cream cheese in mine. So I would suggest for a good recipe, just go to YouTube and type in spaghetti squash recipe. If you want, you could put bacon bits, you could put butter, but the basic cooking recipe is for about, depending if it's a bigger one, I put mine for about 45 minutes to an hour in the oven, and that makes everything fork tender basically, and it's low carb. So anyways, on that note, you make it the way you want. Yeah. So you can put sausage, you can put bacon. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat, and mine there was so much in there. I'm gonna save that for later. So there's no sauces. I'll save that for tomorrow maybe. But tomorrow I can have that with butter and sea salt if I want, just plain. So just wanted to share. Okay, cheers. So it's delicious, babe?
It's delicious, man.
Oh, wow, cool. Yeah. Okay, my love. Okay, I love you.